In this video, you will learn how to split clips in iMovie on the iPad. Let's get started. First, you have to know what do you want to split or cut. So, move the timeline. Your white line is similar to your computer mouse, so move it around and find the place where you want to split or cut the clip. Then tap the clip. The clip will be yellow. After that, tap Split. Your clip will turn into two clips, like this. If you don't like one of the clips, delete it. Tap the clip, then tap Delete. In the end, you will have the clip that you want. And now you've just learned how to split a clip in iMovie on the iPad.